Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Mahindra XUV500. Stock number is 6008. This ran from 06/2012 to 02/2018. It's a W8 2.2 litre diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a W8 2.2 litre diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy American tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy American tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy American tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy American tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.